All right, here's the problem that includes more rotations. So if you notice, it says find all solutions of this. There's nothing else added to it, like, between 0 and 2 pi. This is now looking at everything, which means every single rotation forever and ever and ever. We are going to include that into our answer by just saying we are adding a 2 pi n or a 2 pi r, whatever you guys want to do, rotations times around the circle. I think in your book it actually calls it 2n pi, which they are all equivalent. All right, so let's go ahead and solve. I'm going to go ahead and I'll move that. Sine x. That gives me root 3 equals negative 2 sine x. Divide by a negative 2. I need to see where sine x is root 3 over 2. And it's a negative root 3 over 2, so I'm looking for those pieces. When I look at my unit circle, I see that x has to have the value of 4 pi over 3 or 5 pi over 3 because that's where sine is negative root 3 over 2. But my answers need to include all rotations, so x is going to be 4 pi over 3 plus 2 pi n and 5 pi over 3 plus 2 pi n. You must include that because that says any rotation forward, any rotation backwards is our n value, so it includes every single answer. All right, we're going to have some more examples. The next video, you're going to do 2 with me, and then you're going to have 2 to do on your own.